Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I teach you guys how to play songs as easy as possible. I hope you're all doing well with the lockdown. So I'm just about to teach you guys how to play Surfaces. The song's called Sunday Best. I really like the tune, so here it goes. If you got a clamp, just want you to clamp that on the second fret, so that's 1, and then that's the second fret. That'll be 3, 4, and so on. So put on the second fret, and this is what it's going to sound like. So first what you're going to do is you're going to place your index finger at the top here. You're going to cover these strings right here, and we're going to hit those strings. And then you do the bass line. Then you play this. You're going to do the bass line, open string. And you cover these strings, so 1, 2, and 3. And an open string at the top, which is the bass. And you're going to play 3 strings, so this one here and these 2 bottom ones. So it should sound like this. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.